Hello everyone. In this video, we will implement the stack operation in C language using the array. To implement the stack operation in program, you must know the basics of stack and its operations. You can learn the stack in details from the video that we have posted in our channel. In this video, we are going to concentrate on how to write a program to implement the stack. Now we will look into the following things. How does the stack work? And implementation of the stack in C and its operations. The stack works based on the last in, first out approach. This means the elements can be inserted and can be deleted only at the same end from the stack. The basic operation of the stacks are push, pop, and display. Inserting an element into the stack is called push. Deleting an element from the stack is called pop. Display is nothing but showing all the content of stack. Let's see the different condition of the stack. The stack can be in any of the following condition. It may be empty, overflow, underflow. When there are no elements in the stack, it will be in empty condition. When the stack reaches its maximum size, then it will be in overflow condition. The underflow condition takes place when we try to delete an element from the empty stack. Let's see push operation in detail. Define the stack size of 4. As you can see in the diagram, initially the stack will be empty and top variable will be assigned to -1 to indicate the same. Whenever the element is been pushed into the stack, a variable top will be incremented by 1, and whenever the element is been deleted from the stack, the variable top will be decremented by -1. Remember, only one element can be inserted or deleted in one operation from the stack. Now, insert the values 1, 2, 3, 4 into the stack. When we insert all the elements, the top value will become 3, which indicates the stack is full now. Delete the values 4, 3, 2, 1 from the stack. The top variable will become -1, which indicates the stack is empty now. Let's write a program in C to perform the basic operation of the stack. I'm using the VS Code editor and you can use your favorite one. Create a file with name stack.c and save it and include the header part. And let's declare all the variables required at the top. I am defining the stack with default size 100. To traverse the stack, I and j variables are needed and declare a variable called choice which holds the user action. Get the size of the stack from the user and hold it in variable called size of stack. The top variable is needed, which indicates the a topmost element. So declare a top variable. The three functions are needed for performing push, pop, and display. So I'm declaring three functions. Now define a main function and get the size of the stack from the user and store it in variable size of stack. And we will display all the available options to the user in order to select. And we are giving the message implementation of the stack using array. Now we will check the user choice using the while condition. If choice is not equal to 4, then we will display all the available options to the user, that is all the operation like push, pop, and display, and give the next line exit. We'll scan the user action and store it in choice and just display the selected action. We'll use the switch statement to call a specific function. In case 1, we will call the push operation. In case 2, we'll call the pop. In case 3, we will display the stack element. In other condition, you will give the message function void push and define a variable item to push into the stack. Before pushing, check if stack is in overflow condition. If it's in overflow condition, return a message saying stack overflow occurred. Now, if stack is not in overflow condition, let's ask the user to enter the item value and store it in item. And now we will increment the top value by 1, and then you will insert a value into a top of the stack. Write a for function. Before deleting the top element, check if stack is in underflow condition. If it is in underflow condition, that is the top equal to -1, top equal to -1. That means the stack will be in underflow condition. You will return a message. Otherwise, we will delete the topmost element, that is decrement top variable by -1. Now, I write a function to display the stack elements, that is void display. Check if stack is in empty condition. If stack is in empty condition, that is the top equal to -1, return a message saying stack is empty. Otherwise, we will loop an array, that is the stack, that is for I equal to top, I greater or equal to 0, I minus minus, because we are traversing the stack from top to bottom. And now print the element, that is the current element, percentage d stack of I, and just give the message stack traversal. Define the default values. Initially the choice will be 0 and top will be a -1, which indicates the stack will be empty initially. And now add the next line for every sentences. Open the terminal and run the C program, that is gcc stack.c, and it will create the file a.out. So run. Now it's asking for the size of the stack. I am entering 5, that is the stack size, and now I'm choosing the action 3, that is to display the stack elements. Now it's saying stack is empty. That's correct, and it's working as expected. Now I'm choosing 2 and it says stack is underflow. That's correct. Now let's choose 1 to push an element, and I'm pushing 2 into the stack, and again I'm choosing 1 and I'm pushing the 3. Let's display the stack content. As you can see, 3 is the top element now. Now push the elements 4, 5, 6 into the stack, and now it's saying the stack overflow code. That's correct, because the stack has reached its maximum size, that is 5. Now let's delete some elements by selecting 2. We have deleted the top element, that is 6 is been deleted. Now let's delete 5, 4 and 3. The element 5 is been deleted, and we can display the stack content. And let's delete the 3. Now delete 2. Finally the stack is empty. For code and to learn more about data structure and algorithms, you can install the DAC application from the Google Play Store. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And don't forget to hit on bell icon to get notified whenever I post new videos on data structure and algorithms. Thank you for watching.